Have you heard the word as-built? Many of you might have heard this word for the first time. And you might have questioned, what are as-built drawings? Why they matter in oil and gas, and especially for the structural engineering? See, if you are designing structures in the oil and gas industry and ignoring as-built drawings, you could be building on a false foundation. But see, pipe shifts, slab thicken, column gets moved, foundation deepen, and if these aren't recorded properly, future engineers left guessing, and that's a huge risk. So what are as-built drawings? See, as-built drawings are the final revised version of the construction drawings that accurately reflects the changes made on site during construction. They show what was actually built, not what was originally designed. In oil and gas, accuracy isn't optional, it's mission critical. See, structures are tightly integrated with piping, equipment, cable trays, and safety systems. Even a 100 mm shift in a column could cause pipe clash, equipment misalignment, or operational shutdown. And that's why as-built drawings are mandatory for handover documentation, future retrofitting, safety audits, and maintenance planning. See, they are the starting point for any expansion or brownfield project. But what happens when you don't have as-built drawings? You waste time on site surveys, you guess, you risk clashing with the buried services or overloading members, and your entire analysis could be flawed. And that's why professional structural engineers always review the latest as-built before design, document every site changes during execution, coordinate with site and drafting team to update drawings accurately. So whether you are designing a pipe rack, equipment foundation, or structural platform in an oil refinery, remember, as-built drawings are not just a record, they are the structural truth. Rely on them, update them, and never ignore them. So, have you ever faced a challenge due to missing or outdated as-built drawings? Tell us in the comments, save these videos so you never forget it, subscribe for more real-world structural tips from an engineer who's been there. Remember, don't just learn software, learn concepts. I'll see you in the next video.